What is connection-aware scan and how to use it in cdgc? Connection-aware scan means searching the required objects in the actual source or target systems. Let me show you how you can run the connection-aware scan in cdgc. Once you execute the scanner, you will get the reference objects in cdgc. The first run of all the catalog sources will be in connection list, and once it is executed successfully, you will get the reference objects and the reference data sources. These data sources are the connection names where you want to assign to the required endpoints. Here, using the Lineage discovery option, you can select the required catalog source type, name, or asset group once it suggests the details. Here, you can accept the recommendation for the connections and then assign the details. Once it is assigned, you can get the actual lineage and no reference objects inside the reference catalog sources. Thank you.